So I got a new snowboard, but I want it on the wall. So during lunch break, I drew up some plans. It's basically going to be 2 cylinders. They're going to be on the wall. It should hold up the snowboard because the snowboard's got a gradual curve out. So when you put it on there, it should hold it up, hopefully. It's got a little countersunk hole there for a screw. There's an inner core. There's an outer rubber shell to protect the board and the inner core. And basically, it should just screw into the wall. So I went to the simplest CAD software one can possibly have, literally just the Microsoft stuff. Modeled it all out. And you got the inner core, little countersunk hole for the screw, and then you got the outer shell, which is just going to be flex material. It's going to slide right over it, hide the screw. Very nice. So right now I've got an outer shell printing in the fax machine, and we're going to see how that goes. Just going to clean her up. Alright, so the outer part finished printing, looking real nice and flexible. Should go right over the inside. Here it goes, it's coming down. Nice and blurry. So I've got the inner plastic parts loaded up into Cura. I should have probably made those walls thicker, but I'm not too worried about it. I already have it loaded into the fax machine, and I think it'll be fine. And in a brisk 14 hours, we should have 2 beautiful plastic tubes. Alright, so they're both done printing. I'm going to check them out real quick. I'm actually a little surprised, but it fits perfect. Now I've just got to print one more of these guys. And that's 2. So I've got both of them up on the wall. I'm going to slide these guys over, and just like that, there's a board on the wall. Now, they're facing out a little bit, and I think I can fix that with version 2. I'm just going to put like a board across and then screw these into that. I couldn't find studs where I wanted them to, and I think, honestly, after I take this down and put it up a couple times, it's just going to fall. I'll be lucky if it stays right now. But, for now, it's not looking too shabby. Stay tuned, and I might do a part 2 on this. Maybe. Goodbye.